Unlock your potential with Punyam Academy. A globally recognized online training provider, offering over 200 expert-led courses to enhance your skills. What is Responsible Care 14001? RC 14001 is a management system standard that integrates the principles of responsible care with the requirements of ISO 14001. The standard provides a framework for chemical companies to manage their environmental, health, safety, and security (EHS) responsibilities. Key elements of RC 14001. 1. Environmental management, implementing an environmental management system (EMS) that meets the requirements of ISO 14001. 2. Responsible care principles, implementing the principles of responsible care, including, to work for the prevention of accidents and injuries, to promote responsible management of chemicals, to foster open communication with stakeholders, to continuously improve performance. 3. EHS performance, monitoring and improving EHS performance through the use of metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. 4. Stakeholder engagement, engaging with stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and the community, to promote responsible care and environmental management. 5. Continuous improvement, continuously improving the management system and EHS performance through regular reviews and updates. Benefits of RC 14001. 1. Improved EHS performance. 2. Enhanced reputation and credibility. 3. Increased stakeholder trust and confidence. 4. Improved compliance with regulatory requirements. 5. Reduced risks and liabilities. 6. Improved efficiency and cost savings. 7. Enhanced business sustainability and resilience. What is the requirements of RC 14001? Establish and maintain an environmental policy that reflects the responsible care guiding principles and codes of practice. Identify and evaluate the environmental aspects and impacts of their activities, products, and services. Set environmental objectives and targets that are consistent with their policy and the responsible care goals. Implement and operate an environmental management system that covers all the elements of ISO 14001 and the responsible care requirements. Monitor and measure their environmental performance and compliance with legal and other obligations. Conduct internal audits and management reviews to ensure the effectiveness and suitability of their environmental management system. Communicate with stakeholders and report on their environmental performance and responsible care activities. Seek external verification and certification of their environmental management system by an accredited third-party auditor. How does RC 14001 incorporate the PDCA cycle into its requirements? 1. Planning, establishing the environmental policy, objectives, targets, and programs, as well as identifying the legal and other requirements applicable to the organization's activities, products, and services. 2. Doing, implementing and operating the environmental management system, including allocating resources, assigning responsibilities, providing training, communicating, controlling operations, and managing emergencies. 3. Checking, monitoring and measuring the environmental performance, evaluating compliance, conducting audits, and reviewing corrective and preventive actions. 4. Acting, reviewing the environmental management system at planned intervals, identifying opportunities for improvement, and taking actions to achieve them. Topics covered in online. RC 14001 Auditor Training. Session 1, Overview of RC 14001. Session 2, Requirements. Session 3, Documented Information. Session 4, Internal Management System Audit. Session 5, Internal Audit Records. Session 6, Aspect Impact and Hazard Risk. Session 7, Steps for RC 14001 Installation and Certification. Each online session includes video tutorials with expert training, handouts in PDF format, sessions, and final exams. After completing the training, the globally recognized certificate will be issued. Familiarize yourself with Responsible Care 14001. Understand the requirements of Responsible Care 14001. RC 14001 Responsible Care Documented Information. Understand the and control of documentation and records. Familiarize yourself with list of retained documented information. Familiarize yourself with RC 14001 Internal Management System Audit. Understand Internal Responsible Care System Audit Records. Understand impact and objectives of environmental aspects and risk identification. Know about the types of auditing and questioning techniques. Know about steps for RC 14001 installation and certification. Course objectives RC 14001. These are the dominant features of this online course, which is cost and time efficient, fast and effective, and offers convenient and flexible training that can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. Who should attend this course? Individuals who want to become Responsible Care Internal Auditor. Individuals involved in the implementation of the management system within the organization. Individuals having a basic knowledge of standard or working in the organization. Key personnel in the implementation within the organization. Other people who have found this course useful and who want to enhance their auditing knowledge and skills, and those looking to achieve formal recognition as certified RC 14001 trained auditors. For more information, visit www.puniamacademy.com or send an email to sales@puniamacademy.com. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos.